Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a 3D Shopify store. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now we all know adding a 3D model into our Shopify store can actually boost our store here and basically in this case, entice customers to actually buy the actual product. Now how do we actually do this? Well, first things first is we need to basically add an app for us to do this. So first is we need to go to settings here at the bottom left, and you want to go to apps and sales channels. Now at the top right, let's go and click on Shopify App Store. And in here, what we need to do next is we need to type in the following, which is going to be just 3D. Just press on enter. Now from here, you should be able to see different apps that you could use here. But in this case, we'll be using Spin Studio 360 Product Spin. Let's go and choose this one. Let's go and click on install. And from here, we should be able to actually install the actual app. Let's just click on install to confirm. But once actually confirmed, you should be able to see Spin Studio now opening up on your store. Now in here, you should be able to see two options. So in this case, you have as image in a product gallery, or you could choose as a widget on a product page. So in this case, go ahead and choose what you want to do. So for example, I'm going to say as an image in a product gallery here. Let's go and click on choose and proceed. Now it's going to say go to Shopify admin, select product, media, then from there on, step 2, edit out description. In this case, you need to click on the photo you'd like to replace with a spinning image. So in this case, paste the 3D text or the 3D text in the alt field and click the save alt text option. So what we need to do here is we want to actually visit our product here. So in this case, this is one of my products. We want to select one of the images here, and you want to go to alt text here. Just type in 3D, and then once you've done that, you could go ahead and just click on save to save your changes. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and go back in here, and from here you could go ahead and just click on proceed. Now in here, once we done that, we should be able to start adding our photos or our 3D here. So in this case, we want to basically add our 3D view. Let's go ahead and click on the add 3D 360 view here, and you'll have two options here. So you have the upload 16 to 24 photos from different angles. So in this case, this actually creates a 3D look for your photo. So in this case, you could upload those photos by selecting or holding on shift on the first photo and clicking the last photo that you want to include. So in this case, this will actually turn it into a 3D model, but you could also upload a 3D model or actual 3D model here in a GLB file format. Now in this case, you go and click on the bulk upload here. Just upload your photos, and once you've uploaded those photos, you should now have your 3D model on your Shopify store on your product. And that's about it. Bam. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.